Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brawl Stars trophy pin. This special pin is a true badge of honor, showing off your incredible dedication and skill in the game. It's not just any cosmetic, it's a symbol of reaching a very high level of play. We'll cover the exact requirements and the best strategies to help you achieve this prestigious reward. The only way to earn the coveted trophy pin is by reaching an impressive 25,000 total trophies on your account. This isn't about individual brawler trophies, but your cumulative progress across all your characters. It's a long-term goal that truly tests your commitment and skill in Brawl Stars, making the reward even more special. To effectively push for 25,000 trophies, focus on mastering a few brawlers you truly enjoy and perform well with. Playing with a consistent team can significantly boost your win rate through better communication and strategy. Always adapt to the current meta, understanding which brawlers are strong on specific maps. Consistent practice is key to improving your overall gameplay. Once you're on your way, remember to maintain consistent gameplay to keep your trophy count high. The game evolves, so stay updated with new brawlers and balance changes to remain competitive. Most importantly, enjoy the process of improving and celebrating each milestone you reach. Earning the trophy pin is a testament to your enduring passion for Brawl Stars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.